Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna draw Suzuki. So let's start drawing with a 4B pencil. The tutorial is gonna be easy, so make sure to watch till the end to draw Suzuki. And also quickly like the video before proceeding furthermore. And I also have a good news to tell you guys, and it is I just completed 200 subscribers on YouTube. And thank you for your support and love for me. And let's stay together and keep on learning and complete my first dream of 1000 subscribers. And if you guys keep on watching my videos till the end, it helps me more rather than subscribing to my channel. So make sure to watch the videos till the end besides subscribing. In the sketches, if you see, everything is connected to the other and there is always a link between everything. So I'm drawing the sketch by creating a link between everything and connected each and everything to the other, as you can see. And I just drew these two lines to draw the other eye so that it will stay equal to the first one. Let me know if you are drawing along with me, and if you really drew this sketch, then send me the picture on Instagram, and here I'm showing my username on the top of the video. And now let's just focus on the video and keep on drawing. And here for locating the nose and lips, I have drawn a center line so that I will be able to draw them in the straight line and in the center. So now it's time to do shading, and I have a 4B graphite in there, and now doing shading in the hair with a blending stump. I'm doing shading with a blending stump because it takes much more time to do shading with a pencil in a wide area, so I'm just doing that. And now it's time to use a pencil, and here I have the smallest pencil and it's a 3B one, and I am using it for the further shading now. I just made a basic little beginner tutorial, so I hope it will help you to draw Suzuki. And if you want more tutorial like this, tell me in the comments and subscribe to my channel so you will get notification of everything. And here now I'm using a sketching razor pen just to create some shines in some parts like this. Now I'm using a blending stump for blending, but this sketch is okay even without blending, but let's do some. Sketches are okay without blending, but I'm not okay. So our blending and the sketch are about to done, and now let's start drawing Naruto Uzumaki beside him by drawing a line. And I just took the measurement of their headbands equal to each other, and I'm starting the progress by drawing the hairs. I'm drawing this sketch because one of the subscribers asked me to do 9 days ago, so I'm just accepting the request and drawing that. I hope you will like it. I hope it will work. Thanks. Let's complete the headband now. And now let's start drawing the things connected to the headband. If you find out the things connected to each other, the sketch becomes 80% easy for you to draw. And like I told you before, finding out a link between things is very necessary. 12 eyes eyes and eyebrows are not connected to each other, but they have a little distance between them, and it also makes them easy to draw. And I have drawn a center line for the nose, mouth and chin. Draw the nose like this on the center line, and then the mouth, and then we will be drawing the chin too. As I drew the chin, it became super easy to draw the jaws too, so let's draw them like this. Let's draw the meow meow thing. You should always notice that the ears are always between the eyes and nose, so don't miss that. And now let's draw the hand of Suzuki on Naruto's shoulder. Our basic sketch is done, and now it's time to do shading. Like here, I'm gonna use a 4B pencil. It's averagely dark pencil, not much dark and not much light, just like a middle child. And now it's time to use a 3B pencil. It's more light than the 4B. And like this, let's keep on doing shading according to the reference photo, and if you don't want to do shading, that's okay. And here come our blending stump, and let's do blending with that. And if you don't have one, you don't need to do blending. It's really not necessary. By the way, did you like the video? Like it, please. Our sketch is done, and now let's do your unique signature on one side of the sketch. And let's go to the final look, and I really hope to meet you guys in the next video, and I hope you will wait for it. So bye bye.